Hello class, welcome to our LFCS online class. Myself Sandhya Tiwari, your SST teacher. Let's today start revision work from geography. Okay, and the first question from where we are going to start today our revision work, that is from fill in the blanks from chapter 21. Okay, so let's start. First, fill in the blanks. Number 1, dash is the highest peak of the Himalayas in India. That is Kanchenjunga. Okay, learn spelling thoroughly. Second, dash is the highest peak of the peninsular India. That is Anaimudi. Third, the Indo-Gangetic plain has to the dash of the Himalayas. What you have to fill here? South. Fourth one, the Indo-Gangetic plain is made up of dash soil. Which type of soil? Fertile alluvial. Next, the Arabian Sea lies to the which side? Dash of India, west. Okay. Next, the Indian Ocean lies to the dash of India, south. Okay, now come to next, that is fill in the blanks from chapter 22. Okay, see here. Dash in Meghalaya region receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. Maasen Ram. Okay, beta. Next, that is India receives heavy rainfall from dash monsoon, from which advancing. 9. The advancing monsoon season runs from to dash June to September. Okay. Now let's see, match the following from chapter 21. First one, the Narmada, match it with D. D, Arabian Sea, match it with Arabian Sea. Second, the Kaveri, match it with A means Bay of Bengal. Third, Kanchenjunga. Third, the Great Himalayas, Himadri. Fourth, Patkoi Range, Patkai Bum means match it with what? Sea, that is the Eastern Himalayas. Fifth, Coromandel, Cardamom Hills, match it with what? B, that is the Deccan Plateau. Next, move to chapter 22 for fill in the blanks. The rain shadow area, match it with C, Pune. Next, a place with an equable type of climate. Second, match it with D, that is Chennai. Eighth, the place with heaviest rainfall in India. Match it with A, that is Maasen Ram. Ninth, a place with the precipitation is in the form of snow. Match it with B, that is Leh. Okay. Now comes to take the correct answer from chapter 21. Okay. See, which country is our western neighbor? Which option is correct? Option A, China. Option B, Myanmar. Option C, Pakistan. Option D, Sri Lanka. Which option is true? C, that is Pakistan. Second, which longitude is taken as the standard meridian of India? Option A, 82 degree 30 minute east. B, 80 degree 40 minute west. C, 50 degree east. D, 82 degree 30 minute west. Which option is true? A, that is 82 degree 30 minute east. Okay. Third, which river doesn't flow into the Bay of Bengal? Option A, Mahanadi. Option B, Ganga. Option C, Tapi. Option D, Brahmaputra. Which option is true? Option C, that is Tapi. For which parallel of latitude passes through India? Option A, equator. Option B, Tropic of Cancer. Option C, Tropic of Capricorn. Which option is true? Option B, that is Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Now last one. Which is the westernmost part of India? Which option? A, that is Gujarat. B, Punjab. C, Rajasthan. D, Goa. Which option is correct? Option A, that is Goa. Okay. And one more question given in chapter that is chapter 22. Take the correct answers. Western Rajasthan gets option also given here: scanty, heavy, moderate rainfall. What? Which option is true? Scanty. Okay. Second, the east coast of Tamil Nadu receives rainfall from the which monsoon? Advancing monsoon or retreating monsoon? Which one is correct? Retreating monsoon. Okay. So let's move towards third one. Southwest monsoons, western disturbance, tropical cyclones generally cause floods in India. What? Western disturbances. That is true. Fourth, Kolkata receives more rainfall than Delhi. Okay. And also give regions. You have to prepare give regions from chapter 22. Give regions for each of the following. 1. Chennai is comparatively dry when it is raining heavily on the Malabar coast in July. आपने देखा ना चेन्नई क्या होता है, कंपैरेटिवली ड्राई रहता है, जबकि मालाबार कोस्ट में जुलाई के महीने में क्या होता है, हेविली रेन होता है. क्या रीजन है इसके पीछे, किसका असर इसके पीछे रहता है? ड्यू टू द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द सी. किसका असर रहता है? ड्यू टू द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द सी. ओके, आपको आंसर लिखवाया गया है ना, आप थॉरोली इसको प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा बेटा. सेकेंड वन, मौसिनराम गेट्स द हाईएस्ट रेनफॉल इन द वर्ल्ड. क्या रीजन है? बिकॉज द बे ऑफ बंगाल ब्रांच स्ट्राइक्स अगेंस्ट द हिमालयाज. बे ऑफ बंगाल किससे टकराता है, स्ट्राइक होता है? द हिमालयाज. ओके, क्लियर हो गया. नेक्स्ट, तमिलनाडु रिसीव्स हैवी रेनफॉल फ्रॉम द रिट्रीटिंग मॉनसून. इसमें से हमने 3 करवाया ना, तो तीनों आप प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. थर्ड का क्या आंसर है? तमिलनाडु रिसीव्स हैवी रेनफॉल फ्रॉम द रिट्रीटिंग मॉनसून. क्या है? बिकॉज द रिट्रीटिंग मॉनसून्स आर laden with moisture when they pass over the Bay of Bengal. ओके, और आप वर्ड मीनिंग आप प्रिपेयर कर लीजिएगा. वर्ड मीनिंग में आप मॉनसून्स है, विंडवर्ड साइड है, लीवर्ड साइड्स है, रेन शेडो एरियाज है. You have to prepare only 8 I think word meaning from both the chapters. Subcontinent, Tropic of Cancer, स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन. आप लोग अपना देख करके प्रिपेयर कीजिएगा अपने हिसाब से, ठीक है. सब कॉन्टिनेंट, स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन ऑफ इंडिया, यूनियन टेरिटरी. ओके, लाइक दिस. ओके, आई थिंक एवरीथिंग इज क्लियर. नाउ I am giving you to write one question answer. Distinguish between from chapter 21. Which one? द माउंटेन्स ऑफ नॉर्दर्न इंडिया एंड हिल रेंजेस ऑफ पेनिनसुलर इंडिया। आपको क्या लिखने के लिए दिया जा रहा है? द माउंटेन्स ऑफ नॉर्दर्न इंडिया एंड हिल रेंजेस ऑफ पेनिनसुलर इंडिया आपको लिखवाया गया है। आप राइट कर लर्न हो गया होगा। राइट करके रफ कॉपी में आप इसको सेंड कर दीजिएगा, ओके, ऑन माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर। ओके, इज इट क्लियर बेटा? सो टुडे ओनली दिस मच। थैंक यू।